In this video, we'll be looking at the Domino Generator found in the tools of the Lesson Activity Toolkit. Let's start by having a look at an example of what they use it for. Here the students need to come up to the board, create the dominoes, inject them onto the page, and then place them next to each other, and then add the top and bottom number together. So they simply click on the domino, eject it, move it to the place that's needed, create another one, inject it, and then they can go and they can add up how much it is on the top and on the bottom. Let's have a look-see where we find the domino generators. If I click on the Gallery tab, go into my Lesson Activity Toolkit, down to Tools, and scroll down, I'll find 3 different domino generators. I have a black domino generator, I have a white domino generator, and then I have a different type of domino generator where I can insert images or even text. So let's have a look at the structure of these. Here we can see we have a few instructions. No repeat. So if I was to select that tick box, it means that it won't repeat any of the dominoes while I'm using that. If I select the inject automatically at the bottom, every time I generate a domino, it will inject it onto my page straight away for me. If I deselect that, I manually need to inject. So I can manually go through my dominoes, and then when I find one I want, I can then inject it that way. Same happens with the black domino generator. I select until I find it, and then I can inject it. Once I click on it, it gives me my tools, and therefore I can go and rotate it, and if I was playing an actual domino game, I could move it and place it correctly like we do with dominoes. The third type of domino generator allows me to insert images or text. So I need to select which one I want to use, and each side has its own. So if I select text, I click on the box and I can type in my text. For images, I can either have a drawing or if I want, I can get an image from my gallery, and then I'll have a domino that I can use with either images or text. Most teachers use the third type of domino because it allows for us to put a bit of variation in there, using images and words so that the students can see both, or they can use it for different languages or for explanations. It's a nice little activity to build. It takes a little bit of time just to get the images and the text right. Most teachers spit out all the dominoes first and then go play a game. They don't really create them while they are teaching the lesson. So you can create them, you can go resize them, and then you can go align them where you need them, or you can put them on top of each other and the children can come and they can pull them out. Thank you for watching this video, brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.